Hello and welcome back to All Out Logan, and today I have got 3 new Hot Wheels. The Tesla Model Y, the Porsche Taycan Turbo 5 and the Fiat 500e. And I will be opening them. And I also got this, but behind camera I accidentally opened it.
And what is that one?
It's the Honda Civic Type R in white. These things are very rare to come across now, so you're lucky if you've got one. So, let's get opening. So I'll start off with the Tesla Model Y. Let me know in the comments if you have any of these. And here is the Tesla Model Y. Kind of reminds me of the Tesla Model S.
X.
Like it's the Tesla Model S and what? No, not Y. X that is like merged together to create the Tesla Model Y. And next we'll do the Porsche Taycan. That was much easier to open. And here is the Porsche Taycan. Next we have the Fiat 500e. I think this is basically just a recolor of the original Fiat 500. I do not own the original one though. Like I probably do, just so I can't remember.
Well, that's a full electric rather
Yeah.
than...
You could barely hear it coming. And that's all the Hot Wheels for today, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. Bye!